Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah Poetspice, and I am here for the last episode of our Home for the Holidays collab. I can't believe we are already 12 days into December. This is so flippin' crazy. It's kind of sad and depressing. I had fun doing this collab. I hope you had fun watching it and participating and showing support to the other ladies that are in it. I want to thank them for participating because, you know, doing a video every day that's a lot of work. And not to mention the projects that you got to do to make them. So thank you guys for playing along. Woohoo! So let's go ahead with this last one. Alrighty then. I'm going to show you some of the supplies that I used. One, I used this crazy looking comb. Actually, what it is a bow maker. So I used this bow maker from Tattered Lace. I used some ribbons from the Crafter's Compendium box for Christmas. I just got this in today, so I was like, woohoo! I used the Griffin snow globe pack. So there's the papers. I showed this in a haul. Okay, so I used that. And then, of course, I used the Griffin snow globe easel card die. So cute. I love it. So cute. And I love that they put it on these magnetic sheets now. So I used that. And I believe that is it. I did use some silver paper from Kanban, which is a UK company. Alright, so let's get started with the first one. Here's this card. And so you can see the Anna Griffin scene in the back. There's the bow I made with that bow maker. And so it's like a little double bow. Put the scene here. I was going to make it a shaker card, but I could not find my foam. Then when you lift it up, it's got the little stopper from the sentiments. And so I just cut a bottom layer, popped it up here, and then I did another layer underneath. Then there's also the base layer from the paper. It's so cute. I love it. So what I would probably do is put another piece of paper here to write the message on, or I might just put it up here. I haven't decided. So there's that one. How cute is it? I love it. So right here in this section of the video, I am going to put in what my giveaway is. So you need to be 18 and over, obviously, in the United States, and you need to be a visible subby. You need to have commented on all 12 of my Home for the Holiday collab videos. And in the comments below for this one, if you are interested in being entered, then you need to put in the word candy bar somewhere in your comment. Do not mention giveaway or anything like that, or you'll be disqualified, and so forth. So I'll show what I'm going to give away. I'm going to give away these two dies from my stash. So this bird cage, and then this Ultimate Crafts frame with two little birds in it. So that is my little giveaway. And then let me go ahead and show you the next card. So I had to play with this one again. So I made another bow using that bow maker. And I used the snowflake dies from the set. I love this little scene. It's so cute. So very home for the holidays. This is that silver paper I told you from Kanban. And then I did the same on the inside with this layer. And then you have your warm wishes. So I used that die to make the base, popped it up twice, and it creates your stopper. How cute is that? Look at that. Look at that. So adorable. I love the way that silver came out. And it's funny because it embosses. So you have this part that's a little lighter, and then where it embossed is a little darker. I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but it's so fun. So those are my 2 projects, the last 2 for this collab. Like I said, I want to thank everybody for watching, and go check out the other ladies for this last one. And then be on the lookout, because I'm going to put a video up for my next collaboration for all year 2020. And then I also need the video to pick my last winner. So have a good day or night, and be safe out there, you guys. Bye.